Hello everyone, my name is Ejaz Patel and I am from webhub.blogspot.com. Welcome to the part 6 of e-commerce website development in PHP with PDO. Last tutorial, we create a layout for the user side, and in this tutorial, we will create a layout for the admin side. But before we do that, we need to change this color because this color is not looking good. So we are going to our folder online store and open CSS folder and then click on style to open our style sheet. Okay, it's open now. Look at here. Now we change the background color. First of all, header. So go to header. Where is the header? Here it is. Look at here. We change the color to 80080. Let's take a refresh. Okay, look at this. Now it's looking good. Now we need to change the color of new bar. So where is the new bar? Here it is. Look at here. Change the color to 40040. Okay, refresh it. Okay, look at this. Now it's looking perfect. Now we need to change this button color. So simply we just going to our search btn. Here it is. Find the background. Here it is. The background is here. Change the color 40040 and also card button color. Here it is 40040. Okay, refresh and check. Okay, look at this. Now it's looking good, but now we need to change the color when someone hover on our new bar. So go to our new bar. Here it is, and background will change to 80080. Refresh and check. Okay, look at this now. Now it's looking good. Now we need to change the color of our this deals of the day. So here it is. Here is deals of the day h2 tag. So change the color to 40040. Refresh it. Okay, look at this now. Now we need to change this color. So go to body right. Where is the body right? h2. Here it is. h3 tag. Change the color here 40040. Refresh and check. Okay, look at this, color is changed. Now we need to change the footer color. So going to footer, change the background to 40040. Refresh. Okay, now perfect. Now we are going to create our admin page. So first of all, close it. And here select PHP for creating new page. Simple. Remove this all and simply type our HTML tags. Now we need to head tag close. Sorry, mistake. Inside head tag we need a title tag. We give the proper title. Oh, sorry. And inside title we write something like admin panel. Okay. Then press Ctrl S for save. And where we gonna save this file? We are save this file inside our online store folder. We have one folder admin. Inside admin we save this file and give the proper name because it is a main file of our admin site. So we give the name like index.php. Save this file. Okay. Now create one body tag. Body tag close. Okay, so now let's check our admin panel. we are creating admin panel like this website which is already created by me. So we are close it. Simply write in our URL localhost. Okay, here it is our online store folder. After the URL end we write admin. Okay, so look at here guys, our index page is included perfectly. Look at here, admin panel, our title is coming, which means our file is included. Now we need one more file to, so press Ctrl N for new file and select CSS and create. Ctrl A, remove it, Ctrl S for save. Where we are save this file, we are save this file inside our admin folder. We have one folder CSS, so it's a main file of our style, so we are giving the name like style.css. Save this file. Okay, so now first of all we check we need to check our style sheet is included or not included in our index page. So write body and then we simply check our background as something like, okay, we simply write red, refresh and check. Okay, nothing is happen here just because of we does not include our CSS file inside our index file. So we need to link, so link tag, then relationship will be style sheet, here it is, and href means hyperlink reference. Our hyperlink reference is CSS folder, then inside CSS folder we have one file style.css, then close it. Okay, now refresh and check. Okay, look at this, red background is coming but it's not looking good. We change the red background, we doesn't need it now. So now we are coming in our index page and create one ID and give the ID name equal to header, give the proper comment like end of header. Okay, then inside, okay, just first of all we are changing the background, so I write body, background will be as 40040, refresh and check. Okay, it's good because just because we are here, I'm showing you our results of file admin web pages. Okay, look at here, is the background is, observe here, background is 40040, so we use this background. Okay, so now we just coming in our index page, style sheet, and we create a header ID because we declare in our HTML file, PHP file, index.php. So width will be 100%, height will be around 50 pixel, and background will be as 80080. Okay, refresh and check. Here is, okay, we don't need it now. Okay, look at here, it's coming but some spaces are occurred, so we remove the spaces by using asterisk property to remove all the padding and margin of all text inside our HTML. So we use this property, this is a very important property. Refresh it. Okay, now it's looking good, but okay, now it's good. Now we need to create one body left and body right section, so we need a one div id equal to body left, close it, end of body left, then inside body left. Okay, just we copy this, Control C, paste it here and change the name to body right, RIGHT. Also here RIGHT, sorry, body. Now coming to CSS and declare the body left section, and inside we use width will be 100%, and for example purpose we use height here. Later we remove it because we does not need height in our project for admin side. So for example purpose I use 500 pixel, and the background will be we does not need background, but in this case we are just demonstration purpose, we need one background, so we say 000 black background. Okay, look at this, black background is coming, but we don't need width 100%, we need only 24% of width. Refresh it. Okay, now we need some spaces from the top and from the left. So how can we do? We do simply here margin from top 10 pixel and margin from left 10 pixel. Okay, refresh it. Look at this now. Now it's looking perfect, but I think we need a margin from all side 10 pixel. So we simply write margin, refresh it. Okay, now it's good. Now we need to some border radius from our body left. So coming here and say body, oh sorry, not body, border radius 3 pixel. Refresh it. Okay, now border radius is complete. Now we need to create a body right section. Control C, just copy body left and Control V to body left here and change the name body left to body right. Okay, and change the also width will be 73%. Refresh and check. Okay, it's coming here because we don't use float property here, so we use first float left, and we need to also use float left from here. Now refresh and check. Okay, it's coming, but it's not coming here just because of we need to decrease some width of it, so we set 72% of width. Okay, look at this now. Now it's coming perfectly, but here are some more gap is available, so I think it's 72.5%. what about this? It's coming. Okay, just it's coming for, we use a margin here. Look at this. So we don't use margin here, we say margin from right 10 pixel and margin. Okay, we use clockwise margin. Just remove it, come back here and say margin, then from the top we need 10 pixel, from the right we need 10 pixel, from the bottom we also need 10 pixel, but from the left we need 0 pixel. So remember, this is a clockwise, this is for top, this is for right, this is for bottom, and this will be for left. Now refresh and check what happened. Okay, look at this. Now it's looking very good. Now we need to increase 1% of width. Okay, now it's looking perfect. Now we need to change this color to, how can we change? Background will be 80080. Okay, refresh and check. Okay, just because of we already declared background here, so we need to remove from here. Just remove it. Now refresh and check. Okay, look at this now. Now it's looking like this. Look at this, but we need some more space from top. So we are from here. Here we also use a clockwise margin. So 10 pixel from top. Okay, 20 pixel from top, 10 pixel from right, 10 pixel from bottom, and 10 pixel from left side. Okay, let's check again. Okay, look at this now. Nice, looking very good. But we also need body right. So here we change margin to 20 pixel. Refresh and check. Okay, look at this now. Nice, looking very good. But observe here, guys. Here are also some space from the top of our header. So how can we do that? We simply write our padding property to body and say 2% of padding from all side. So simply coming here, refresh. Okay, look at this now. But we need also box sizing property to border box, so it will come perfect. Let's check important. Refresh it. Okay, just okay, 1%. We use 1% of padding from all side. Okay, now it's looking very good, but we need to decrease this. Now we does not need a padding margin from the left side of our body left. So we are going to body left margin, and then we say we does not need here 0 pixel. Refresh. Now it's looking very good, but we need to decrease this font, this width. So come back here, and we also say we does not need from right 0 pixel. Refresh. Decrease the width, increase the width to 73 to 74%. Refresh it. 75%. What about? Okay, it's down, so 74.5%. Refresh. Okay, but some more needed. 74.78. Okay, now it's good and looking perfectly. Now we need to radius our header. So we are going simply here, copy the border radius property from body left and paste it from header here. Refresh and check. Okay, now perfectly coming. So our admin panel layout is ready. So guys, in next tutorial we include our section to different pages. So this is enough for this lecture. So guys, if you like my videos, then like and share, and if you have any question, then comment below. And one more thing, do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because it is very benefit for you for latest update of my channel. So guys, stay connected with me, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.